Hi, and welcome to the shed room. The video of today is going to be about my jigsaw and how to operate all the buttons of this one, and what to be aware of when using this machine. First of all, when changing the saw blade, remember to unplug the machine. And on my machine, it's a quick release saw blade. So you'd use this red button here, push it all the way out, and then you can remove the saw blade. And the same if you wanted to put a saw blade in the machine, engage the quick release and then place the saw blade all the way in and release the quick release. And there it is. On the button of the machine where you have your material that you're sawing is the sole of the machine. You can this machine is you can angle this as well. And to do that, you need to release this one, pull it slightly backwards, and then forward again, and then engage this one. So now you are going to saw an angle in the wood or metal or whatever you do. To get the machine back again, release this one. You might be able to see those small teeth. You see down there, small teeth. I'm going to pull the machine back and then forward again. There we are. And then backwards. And now we're back to going straight. Yeah. On the top of the machine is the power on and off button. To power on, you push forward and down, and it now sets on. And then if you want to turn off the machine again, push at the back, it pops up. I'm just going to put in the power and then let you see it. So we push the power button forward and down. Just going to show from the side here. I'm still going to push the power button forward and down. So that's turning on and off the machine. On the back of the machine here, you can see this. It's a speed indicator. Goes from A to G. A is slow, G is fast. I'm just gonna put the machine on the side here, turn it on, and then goes from G as it sets right now, and all the way back to A and back up again. So you can see the speed up here. So as you can see, moving from G to A, the machine slows down. Moving from A to G, the machine speeds up again. On the other side here, we have this selector. It goes from 1 to 3, and here you can select the angle. This angle from 0 is forward here, and back to 3 is backwards. And that's when, according to the material that you saw in, you wanted to change this. So all you do is move this, and now the saw blade is backwards. It's not that much, but it is backwards. And if I go back again, it's gonna bend slightly forward. On my machine here is a small setting, and the 0 to 3 that we just changed is that sign up here. So if you're going in wood, you can go from 0 to 3. You choose what angle you want. 3 at the 3 angle, you go a bit faster through the wood, but also not that smooth. If you want to go through metal or aluminum, it's the 0 to 1 angle you want. And also here you have the speed indication, as we had on the back of the machine. Through wood you can go fast at the G settings, and you want to go a bit slower when you're going through metals. When you're choosing a saw blade, there's some things you need to be aware of. As you see here on top, I'm just going to go over one of them. The top of the saw blade is where you attach it to the machine. It needs to fit your machine. You can see in the instruction what kind of fit that you have. And then there's different kind of saw blades. This is for wood, and this one up here is for metal. As you can see, the teeth on the saw blade is different. Small ones up here, really small ones, and here we got the big ones. So metal is this one, and wood is the other one. You can have different kinds of bigger or smaller teeth on the saw blade as well for wood, and the smaller they are, the finer the cut they make, but they go slower. Big teeth, as I got on this one, will make a rough cut, but it goes fast. This one is also for wood, and as you can see, the teeth on these ones, on this one, is a lot smaller, so this is gonna make a smoother cut through wood than the other one. So when you want to cut a piece of wood, always start the saw blade, as you see here, outside of the wood, and then grab onto the machine, start the saw blade, and then start sawing. As you saw here, you can turn the machine when you're inside of the wood. And when you are in here and you want to stop the machine, keep the machine still and then stop. Do not try to pull the machine out of the wood, because you'll just end up bending the saw blade, as you can see here. My saw blade is bent, damaged. Here we got straight one, and then we got the damaged one. So always stop the machine inside of the wood, or put it back out same way as you came. If you want to start making a hole inside of the piece of wood, so you want to make a circle hole inside of there, what you can do is take a drill, and then with a drill that is big enough for the saw blade to be, this is here. It's about the same size. The diameter of the drill is about the same size as the saw blade. If you want to have how to work a cordless drill, I have a video of that. See that as well. But here we have a hole in the middle. We can now place the jigsaw inside of that hole. Hold the machine still, start. And there we are.